Let's see, let's see, let's see.
Huwag nga yan ipakain, Mama. Bakit hindi kainin?
What are free things you can do with your children?
Ay, ikaw pa rin? Kasi nandito ang kinukuhanan ko. Diyan ka, lumipat ka eh. Alam mo?
Let's say, make time to bond with them.
Sarap. Sabay-sabay yung mga chicken. Kain ka rin ng langka, Sunoy. Sarap, oh. Sunay, Sunay. Like it? Yum, yum.
In our modern time to be with our children seemed to be like a luxury.
At isa pa dyan, subject sila sa kanilang mga sariling asawa. Sabihin, meron silang unity, pagkakaisa.
When we parents feed our children with the Word of God, things are much different. The more we invested time with them each day, the more they are practically ready for anything. Living in the countryside, we learn to maximize our time and our resources. By design, these are my children's first passive income. Here's an early experience of Oliver in selling on the month of April 2025.
Ay, na kayo. Hindi yan sa bigat. Murang liit. Yan. Eat your vitamins before you go. Hawakan ko lang ta. Pinasok mo na kanina. Labas mo pa. Naawat ng putol niya nga kuko. Okay, upo ka na dyan. Dyan ang liit. Ang sa talaga mo sa pamilya. Tapos hawakan mo siya sa ilalim. Yung paa niya sa ilalim, hawakan mo. Ayan. Ang pataasin ganyan. Yan kasi umupo. Yun nga, hawakan mo siya sa ang paa niya sa ilalim. Wish us luck! Babay na.
In order to earn, they know when to sell and how much. Sometimes, customer visited us to buy.